Today was the last Sunday in the month of March, and one of the major points that were made today was that we shouldn't lose hope, because our hope is the eyes of our faith. We shouldn't look at the seen, the things that are around us. Rather, we should focus our attention on the unseen. We should keep our eyes on our glorious future. We should keep looking up, because only those that look up go up. Also, we were really encouraged today based on the scripture Psalm 121. I will lift up my eyes to the hills, from whence cometh my help. The truth is, although we all have glorious destinies, it can't be achieved by our own strength. We need the help of God. That's why we have to keep looking up to God. One major point that was also made today was the fact that situations and challenges may come. The believer's life is not free from challenges, but the confidence that we have is that victory will be our portion. Also, I remember the quote by Les Brown. He said, if life knocks you to the ground, try to land on your back, because if you can look up, you can go up. And that was a great source of encouragement for me, and I know that it's certainly what we all need. Also, I'd just like to say, don't look at what's around you. Keep your eyes at the light at the end of the tunnel, and keep running, keep moving, keep taking steps, because you will get there. Your future is bright. So don't look at your surroundings. Where you see and what you focus on will ultimately determine what will come of your life. So just focus your eyes on those things that are encouraging. Read testimonies of others who have gone forward and who are taking big strides in their life and who are doing things that you would like to do. And I know that by God's grace, you will succeed. Make this week a week of focus, but focus your eyes on your future, on what God is showing you. Be a dreamer. Be a man and woman of vision. See you at the top. God bless you.